Stippling art is mesmerizing. Thousands of tiny dots forming detailed texture. It looks so intricate you might wonder how it even works. Today, I will show you how to turn any graphic into a stippled artwork. So you can create that delicate handcrafted look in just 2 steps. We'll create a stippling vector using one plugin and a few smart settings. By the end, you will know the exact parameters that make your stippling look realistic. To follow along easily, grab the starter file link below. Everything is set up so you can learn by doing. Let's get started. We'll start with the design from the link right here. Let's grab this vector frame. Make sure it's a wide field frame with your graphic inside. We want that organic stippling effect. So let's open our plugin of the day, Stippling. The technique is so simple that the only tricky part is making sure Figma doesn't crash. So first, click Random Distribution. That's what gives you the dotted handcrafted look. Then, let's adjust the spacing slider to 1, the dot max size to 3. Be sure to move the slider slowly, otherwise the software might freeze. Once it's generated, remove the white field of the frame. Now you can easily recolor the vector. Let's change it to white. Reposition it back in your design, zoom out, and your stippled art is ready to shine. And that's it, your stippling vector graphic in just 2 simple steps. If this gave you a new design spark, hit like, share with a friend, and subscribe for more to come. If you try this out, let me know in a comment. Before you go, check out my other tutorials using simple effects like this one. They are both easy to make and look amazing in real project. I'm MengChi, see you there!